Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. Today we are reviewing a new palette by Item in my Element palette. If you'd like to see how I created this beautiful, quick and easy look, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, need to moisturize, hydrate my lips. I've mentioned this several times. I do have a lip serum on my website. It feels amazing. All right, and I have a box, so we're gonna see what we can feature today. I am in the market for like a new mascara, and I haven't had to buy a mascara for some time now because it seems like when I always need one, BoxyCharm comes through. So we're gonna see what's in here, see what we can feature. All right, first product, Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. I love me some lip oil. This would definitely go in my bag, and I love that muted blush color. That's pretty. All right, so that's Lip Slick by Sophia and Michelle. All right, next product I have is, oh, it's a clear brow gel. Let's open and see. I do love me some brow gel. Usually I like something with a little color, but we can try this and see how it goes. All right, next we have Amina Lip Scrub. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Lip scrub. It's so pretty. Look at that. I love that. It smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. That's tempting. All right, let's see. We have another product. Oh, can't get it. It's kind of thick. Next we have Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Pull out the progressives. All right. All right. An exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. Okay, this looks nice. Ooh, beautiful packaging. Look at that. That's pretty. Saturday Skin. I don't know if I've had any Saturday Skin products, but just saying Saturday Skin makes me think about Age Graceful channel. She does like a live skin session on Sundays, every Sunday at 3 o'clock. Definitely check her out if you haven't checked her out. She is a sweetheart. If you're watching, girl, love you. Woo! And the last product, oh, is Item in my Element eyeshadow palette. I've gotten several products from Item. Actually, one is right here. One is right here, which is a mascara that I'm pretty much done. One was like a concealer that I use to contour, and now I have this. So let's open and see what this looks like. It's weird how it opens. How cute. In my Element. Very cute. These are beautiful. Oh, one is broken. I'll try to push that back in real quick. It's definitely a pressed pigment, so I'm just pressing it back in before it leaks everywhere. These are my colors. These are definitely my colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and feature this one. So I'm gonna do my makeup, skincare, and all of that, and then I will be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Makeup is done. Got a little setting powder under there to set my wrinkles. All right, so first off, we're gonna go into Solar, which is that middle color right there. Okay, we're gonna put that in the crease already. Got some kickback. So we're gonna press it first, that way it doesn't fall out everywhere. It's a beautiful transition color. I'm gonna put that underneath as well. And I'm not doing anything crazy today because I'm going to work. So we're just doing something really simple. really quick just to try out these colors. I am pulling it down to my lid a little bit. All right, and then we're going to go into, all right, had to put my glasses on. Then we're gonna go into Air Sign, and then after that, I'm gonna go into Thorship. Ooh, this one is really orange. It's a beautiful orange. It reminds me of, I can't think of the color. It's a matte color. I think it's called Rule. Rule might be a little bit lighter, but this is a beautiful orange. Great for transition color. Like, especially if you're doing like a smoky eye, this would be perfect. All right, and then we're going into Starship, and I'm just using the same brush, you guys. I'm gonna tap that first in the inner and outer. I'm just gonna do a quick little halo. I'm actually gonna grab a little concealer to put as a base here in the middle. Then I'm gonna blend that out. I find if you blend like your concealer out, you know, depends on the look you're doing, like kind of like what I'm doing. It helps when you're trying to, you know, blend out those edges. All right, and I think I'm gonna go into, ooh. I usually go for like more of the neutral colors, but this Moon Star color right here, this one right here. Oh, my lighting. That one right there, Holly my name. So I'm just gonna press and kind of drag it so it doesn't fall out so much. And then I'm gonna press it on the lid. And it is a beautiful color. It has like, I don't know. It's iridescent, very iridescent, very beautiful color. This would be gorgeous as a cut crease. All right, I'm gonna go back into that Starship color, which is the dark brown, and just kind of overlap the edges a little bit. You guys see how quick you can create like a beautiful look? This took me less than 15 minutes. Now, of course, if you want it more like precise, you can definitely be a little bit more, you can definitely use more technique. Like I could cut that crease, I could do any of that, but we're gonna leave it like that. All right, I'm gonna do my lashes, put on a lippy, and then I'll be back. Going forward, so what I'm gonna try to do, if I can remember, I will let you guys know what foundation I am wearing. So today I'm wearing the Morphe foundation, and the color is Rich 26. So that's the foundation I'm wearing today. All right, guys, so that is it for my video. So thank you guys for joining me. If you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup, and my second handle, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.